Meshach. And there is a last character, well, it's not the last of these three, called Abednego. Where is Abednego? Come on up. So let's say the three names. So we have Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. That's a mouthful. That is a mouthful. They were three young men who were serving the king. So we have, where is the king? I saw the crown coming in, but I didn't see anybody wearing it. So come up over here. And she's wearing purple, which is a royal color, so that was a good choice. Does the crown fit? All right. And do we have some soldiers? Lots of soldiers? That's good. Okay, you guys can stand around the king. So king, come on, you come on out here. So the story is that the king decided to build a golden image that was huge. And so tell your soldiers to go out here and build the golden image. Tell them to build the golden image. Use your king voice. Just say, build the golden image. Okay, so come on guys, come on out. Start building the golden image. And it started out small and it got a little bigger and got a little bit bigger and got a little bit bigger and it was really big. So going back to the king, tell the king you're finished. And then the king said, anytime that you hear the musical instruments play, the flute and the lyre and the pipes, everybody has to bow down and worship the image. So can you say, whenever the music plays, okay, you must bow down and worship the image. Okay. So, you guys ready for the music? Yes. Okay, so play the music. Go dee 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 dee. That's good. So when you hear the music, everybody was supposed to bow down and worship the image. But Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego didn't do it. That was awesome. Let's do that again. You ready? So Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego didn't bow down to the image. You go, because that was a bad thing from the perspective of the king. So he sent the soldiers over and said, you must come with us.
You must come with us.
The king is not happy.
The king is not happy.
All right, so gently, guys, gently take them over to the king.
Come on. Come on.
Yep, you gotta come. Be gentle. All right, so put Shadrach, Meshach, and no, they have to stay on the ground. So you guys need to come down. Oh, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, you're down here with me. All right, so soldiers, tell the king, say Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Then, did not bow down to the king. Ah, and the king was angry. You crush your arms. Give me your worst angry face. You're sending me mixed messages here. Okay. All right, that's a good angry face. All right, so tell the soldiers to go over and start the furnace. Set the furnace on fire. Tell them. Meshach, and Abednego were thrown into the fiery furnace. But behold, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego had told the king that they didn't fear the furnace because they knew that their God could save them. But even if he didn't, they still wouldn't bow down and worship the image. Well, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were in the middle of the flames, and I need the angel. Do we have the angel?
The angel's name. I'm the angel.
Okay. So King, all right, so King, I need you to come with me. All right. I want you to come, and soldiers, you stay where you're at. Okay. And the king looked into the furnace, and can you count how many people there are? There are 4. He said, go over to the soldiers and say, how many people did you put in?
3.
Okay, but King said, I see 4. So everybody gently and quietly come back over here. King, come on. So the king then said, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, come out. Can you say that? Meshach and Abednego, come out. And so the three young men came out of the furnace, and the king was amazed. You know, remember what we do when we're amazed? And the king decided that because God had saved Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, that their God must be the most powerful God. And that's how the story ends today.